tried something different. I opened up this pork loin flank and I opened it completely up and turned it into a pork roll. Now I did not cut the fat off this, I kept it on because I need to have that as the top part of my roll as I cook it. Now my filling, I'm going to cut up a half an onion, about 7-8 cloves of garlic, and a good chunk of ginger. Now in a bowl I have 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of mustard Dijon, and then all of my minced onion and garlic, along with 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Now my seasoning, I'm going to use about 3/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, about 3/4 teaspoon of garlic salt, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. Now to get fancy, and I'm going to put my onion garlic mixture and spread it all around. Now I'm going to roll this up just like a cinnamon roll, but I'm going to make sure that the fat part is going to be on the very top. And when I'm all said and done with this, I'm going to take some butcher twine and twine this all together. And as you can see, I have the fat portion on top. Now on top of this, I'm going to put my favorite seasoning. You can put whatever you'd like. And then I'm going to put about 3 slices of bacon on top and anchor the bacon down with toothpicks. So remember when I said I put the fat portion on top? It's so that the fat can run down the roll and prevent it from drying out. And as I am doing this, I keep a very close look at the temperature. I do not want to overcook this. Now as soon as I can reach an internal temperature of 145, I take it off. Now I let this rest for about 15-20 minutes. And this is the part I've been waiting for, to see what it's going to look like inside. The meat is so juicy and it is so flavorful. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. As usual, I always have fun making these. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.